All right, everybody, this is Jeff with Advantage Lumber out here in East Aurora. We are out here at a DIY project looking at a Tigerwood deck, 5/4 by 6 pre-groove with a Deckorators rail. It's a composite white rail with a black aluminum balusters. Homeowner loved this one. It was an easy choice. There was only a couple options to pick from, which he liked. Real easy to install. Had this done within a couple days. Moved on to adding a rail going down the steps, doing a complete re-decking on this one with the 5/4 by 6. Like I said, pre-groove. He went with the fascia board with the 5/4 by 8. This has been oiled a couple times now. Full direct sun, so he's going to get some fading here and there, but with the Tigerwood, you're going to get 30 plus years out of this. The Deckorators we're excited about. New product line. Like I said, being a DIY guy, he loved installing this. Super easy to get, real easy to install. Not much to it, but it's very durable, very stable. If you have any questions, if you have any projects you're interested in, give us a call or visit advantagelumber.com.